show some soft spot here. Hollow sound in the aft stringer. Same here. And then measuring the moisture readings in the stringer is very important too. So that's showing a little bit high readings around the engine mounts bolts. That needs to be rebedded. The stringers are showing a little bit high readings here. Here in the hollow spot is, oh, it's saturated. Around the screws, around the bolts are saturated too. That needs some attention here. That's how we inspect the engine stringers and power bolts. Thanks.